Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will let to give to you an idea to start your business. Starting a business, it not have to start with a huge idea. You can do the simple things by selling a custom envelope. And how to get the good design for your envelope, you can just use this Canva application. Open your Canva, and right after that just go click the search button and just type envelope, and there will be like shown the envelope designs collections that you can use. If your Canva is still in a free type, or free version, you can just choose the free design that have no crown symbol or the information of the price. So you just need to go click the design that you want to use for your envelope businesses, and then if you want to change everything, it's totally possible. You can, if you want to pick other color than the original color of the design, you just need to go click the area that you want to change and go click this color, and then you just need to pick the color that you want to have. And you can just do the same for the rest. You can also get the other color version by go click this plus button, and you just need to drag this point into the specific part. If you want to have the bluest color, go drag this into the blue sections. Oops, my bad. Here, and then you just need to pick the color that match with your design. Okay. Whenever you got them, now you just need to go click X, and you can just do the rest like the same with the same tutorial or step. And you can also replacing this sticker, you can delete it, and you just do go click this element, and you just need to start finding the graphic that you want to have. Let's say if you want to have the this panda or Terry, you just need to go click it, and you just need to drag it into the specific part that you want to place them. Don't forget to customize the position as well as the size too. And you can do the rest by go delete this part and just copy it by go click this plus button and drag it into the specific part that you want to place this other cherry. Okay, and so on and so on. And whenever you're done, you can also add the custom name here by go click this text, and then you just need to go click add a subheading, and you just need to go click from, and then click the underline, and you can also get 4, add more underline too. And you just need to go click done. And then to adjust the position of the text, you can also do this text style. You can do the subheading, or you can also make it smaller, become the body here, and then just need to go click X, explore everything's down part here for editing your text. Here you can find this B formatting, and then just this one to make it like just in the same line. And now you're done. You just need to save this and then got into this file get printed with your printer, and then you just need to sell it into your social media or anything like this. So that is the way how to design an envelope on Canva. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and hopefully it can be a good idea for you to start a small business. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next video, guys. Bye bye.